video is on inserting text boxes in PowerPoint and also Microsoft Word. So to insert a text box, you go to Insert, Text Box, and then you can draw it. And then you can type in whatever you want. You can go back and click on it, and then you can start making some changes. So once I clicked on it, I then had the format option. I can fill the box to any color I want. I can change the inside, again, just by going to Home. I could center. I also have, again, I have the format option. Something I always do whenever I'm going to make a text box or something that's a little bit a different color, I'll change the border to make sure it shows that I did this on purpose. So I'm going to change the shape outline. And down here under weight, I'm going to change the weight. Another option whenever you create a text box, if you go to Insert and then Text Box, if you just double click, it will draw itself for you. And it works exactly the same. To do it in Microsoft Word, it's just a little bit different. So in Word, you're going to do the same thing to start out with. You'll go to Insert, Text Box, but here you have an option. I normally go with the first one, and then it will just put it over in your document for you. And then make sure you start typing or else you'll lose that text box. And you can do the exact same thing. I then can highlight, I can go to Home, change my font if I want. If I'd like to change the inside of the box, I can click on it. I get the format option. And this looks like PowerPoint where I can change the color inside. The nice thing about adding text boxes to a document is I can move them wherever I want them. If you have any questions, please email me at learn@vegetarianhomeschooler.com.